Hi and welcome back to Papa's Living in Flip Flop Life. In today's episode, I want to show you a way that you can actually build a fake blog post, I guess. It's just a new little strategy that I'm testing out, which is working, and which you can start off right now. And listen, you don't really need a WordPress blog site for you to be able to do this. All you need to do is just a special landing page creator, the information that you want to gather from the product that you're trying to promote, or you're trying to offer people, or you're trying to get people on to that offer or article or whatever it is. And then you'll be driving traffic through Facebook, and you'll be able to do it through two things, right? You're going to want to get a domain. If you don't have a domain, you're going to have to buy one. That's like maybe $10 the most. Maybe you can really find cheap domains to pay it off for a year and not have to pay any monthly fees. So you get that out of the way. So keep 14 to 10 bucks available on the side, and then you need a landing page creator, but a good one. All right. So if you don't have one, there's one that you could be using if you want. It's optional. It's up to you. I'm using Igloo. Now I'm using Igloo. Why? Because I don't pay any monthly fees. It's a one-time off price. It does everything that you need it to do. Just like if you know ClickFunnels, it's exactly the same as ClickFunnels. Just does the same things. Well, to me, and there's a lot of templates for you to use and get started. And plus, I want to show you that the payment, the least payment that you're gonna get is one-time fee is $87. All right. Now, why is Igloo powerful? Well, now let me just go into my members area, and I'm going to show you how we're going to create a blog article in a way, making it just basically write an article about whatever it is that you want to offer, so you can send traffic through Facebook. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and create. You see, I've got all these funnels that I've created in my career, well, in the few years now, and this we're going to call I don't know, free training blog. All right, so I'm going to create this. I'm going to go ahead and find there's all these templates that I could be using, but I'm not going to be using any of these because I'm going to do a blank page. We're going to start off from the beginning in a way. Let me just go ahead with an opt-in funnel, and I'm going to go ahead with blank, and I'm going to go ahead and edit page. Now this is where the magic happens. And I'm going to show you an easy way of doing things. So like, again, you won't need any hosting. You won't need any WordPress knowledge, no plugins. This is straight up creating a website. It's kind of like fake. It's like an article, so you can be covered as well from all of Facebook's policies and stuff. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting stuff. One way of doing this is, if I want to do this faster right now, all right, and what I want to do is go use one of my articles that I wrote already for the specific offer that I'm promoting. So we're gonna go to my website. So we're in my website. I'm gonna go to one of the posts that I did. And I want to see how this is going to look if I just basically, this is going to be the first time I'm doing it copying something else, like my own post. I'll just wait for it to load up. So I'm going to just copy. And this, I just thought about, like, today when I was checking my stuff online. All right, let me see how this is going to work out. Copy back here. All right, so I'm getting most of the stuff on here. That's good. So I don't have to redo things. Now I'm just going to play around with this, and I'm going to start, fixing it the way I want it to be. Let's go with a box thing. Alright, so right now I'm just writing an article about SoshiBot. Alright, and just fixing everything up like I need to. So I'm gonna come back in a sec when I fix everything up here. Alright, so I sat down and copied everything that basically what you would do is come out and do it yourself. Like come and write it yourself, put the images yourself, put the links, whatever yourself, and plus don't forget that you need to put a privacy and policy underneath. Alright, always remember that if you're gonna be sending traffic using Facebook, that's what you need to do. So because I already have mine in my proper website right here, I'm going to go into my Depopper one, and you just need to create this. I've got videos on how to do that. You just grab your privacy and policy, just put it on Google, privacy and policy for affiliate marketers, and I'm sure you find a lot of pages or a lot of pages that you can be using. So I'm just going to take my stuff that I'm covered here with this. I didn't want to do this print thing. Alright, come back here and put text. See, right now I built this little article using just one landing page, and that's it. Alright, I'm not paying for any hosting. I'm not doing any blogs. It's just one little thing that I want to promote because I know it's a good one, and I want to send traffic using Facebook. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do here is put down the Facebook policy. Okay, so I added this part right here just so I'm covered. Got my terms and policies covered. This is exactly, I want people, my links are here as well. If people click on it, it takes them to the page. You can fix everything else as in graphic wise, the background of this, whatever, to make it more, I don't know, let me see here. Nope. Alright, leave it as it is. Anyway, this is for test purposes, for you to see what's going on, how I use this. Let me see how this looks. I guess it's better. Maybe put, so it's like part of my website, I guess, the color that I usually have, you know. I can even put like my logo, which is this one right here. Just make it more professionally looking, I guess, to somebody else's, so they can trust this this blog post, which I did without using a WordPress. Alright, doesn't look that bad. You know, if I wanted to, I can add some more links here if I wanted to, with a menu link as well. Have my blog, get people, you know, to go visit and everything like that. So this is cool. This is a nice little strategy you can be using yourself, you know, if you connect it to another blog or whatever. So for now, I'm not gonna play around with that because it takes more time. I got everything set up. Let me make this a little bit bigger. And another thing that you can do with this, which is pretty awesome, is let me put this into boxed. Another thing that you can do is also create two columns, like make it into let's see. You know, you can come here and then change this into like two columns, so you can put like maybe banners on the side of your website, something like this. It really depends on what you're trying to do with the article that you're trying to post. But right here I'm trying to show you how it's so easy to create an article post promoting something or whatever that you have that you want to show people and get them to buy from this. And the way you would do this is, first of all, don't put this on autoplay, all right, because Facebook doesn't like that when you drive traffic to a page where there's autoplaying. You don't want to do that. Make this a little bit smaller. That should be right. All right, so I'm ready to go, and I'm done with this. Now the next step to the whole thing, all right, is to basically let me put save, is to basically connect it to a domain. So you're gonna have to go buy a domain, connect it to it. If you already have a domain, well, that's good. You can either use Pretty Links, and if you have a WordPress, or you can use the Igloo app inside your WordPress where you upload the page that you want to use. Okay, in our case, we're going to go and create a domain because I'm sure you probably don't have a WordPress maybe. So I'm going to go with that scenario. So I'm going to go to GoDaddy, and you can go to any type of place that you can get a domain for. It doesn't matter. I like to use GoDaddy. I got all my domains on there, and I'm fine. Some people are not happy with it. I'm fine with it. It never caused me any issues, and it seems to be working just fine for me. So, okay, so I'm going to go to my manage my domains, and what I have here is my page that I want to be sending traffic to. Oh yeah, you can also add Google AdSense codes on here, little ads and stuff that you can be using. Okay, so this is the article, this is the page, this is a one pager. It's like a blog post. It's similar to my blog post that I did here, but you can really think about the power of this and go out and find other blog posts of offers that you're trying to use, switch around, put in your stuff inside the landing page that you're creating, okay? And then once people come and they click, they'll take them to the offer that you want. But this is the landing page that you need to create, which is properly made for Facebook so you don't get in trouble. And this is a tool, this is a software that I'm using, and the way you would drive traffic to it is, let me go into my Facebook ads and show you what I did there. So right now we're inside my ad post, and you can see the link clicks and 0.39 cents per click, taking them to the post that I created. Okay, it's pretty awesome. Good numbers, and this is because I've been actually using a custom audience that they visited my website. All right, so I know who I'm targeting to. I know who is interested in something like this, and this is how you use the pixels. And I'll show you in a second how we can also add a pixel to that page that you created, which is very simple because Igloo gives you that ability. So inside my ad, you can see that I've chosen all these custom audiences that have to do with me. I didn't do anything else, just left it as it is, and created the ad, which was very simple. The image that I used was basically a stock image of just two people. It looks interesting, I'm guessing. I didn't even put any testing to this, just put it out there, and I'm getting like 0.39 cents per click, which is pretty cheap, but targeted. All right, and this is what should interest you, and this is the button that I put. All right, attention marketers, this cloud-based software responds to Facebook messaging comments on autopilot, and then learn more. And when they click learn more, it takes them to the page that I created. All right, and I'm promoting something just like that, without any blog post, without blog building, without WordPress, without buying hosting, without anything. It's just one landing page creator where I'm driving traffic straight to this article. All right, I've got my terms and services. I have my little exclamation here below, and you're good to go. All right, these are examples of what you can go out and do with one page ads of this sort. All right, just cover the policies, be cool about it, be straightforward, give them what you're selling. Don't say bullshit. All right, and you'll drive traffic like that. All right, it's very simple. Now Igloo allows you to put all these things together with little Facebook icons if you want. You can put an autoresponder so you can grab your emails as well if you're trying to build a list. You can do so many things. That's why I'm saying it's so important that you pick the right landing page creator so you can go out and do the same kind of things. Now this took me like maybe not even 10 minutes. All right. This is something that anybody can do. You can test out waters for different various niches online through ClickBank, through JVZoo, through Warrior Plus. You can test out go out for the top 10 that are selling right now, this month, this week. All right, play around with it, talk to the vendors, find out if you could do a review for it. Try and get a review copy if you don't have money. If you can't, then buy it, invest it, try and play around with the software that helps you. But use this for anything that you can think of. You have a book you want to sell, do this. You have coaching services you want to do this. You want to promote eBay stuff, like to sell your stuff on eBay, use this. You're an Amazon seller, you're trying to do FBA, use this strategy. This is what's going to help you get to the next level. This is very easy to do. You don't need tech skills. It's just basically copying, changing text around. It's not technical. It's very easy. All right. So once you get your own your landing page link that that you have the landing page on, all you have to do is go into to GoDaddy, buy a domain if you like, and then connect that through the DNS changing of the domain. I'll show you right now what it is that you need to do so you can go out and do this today. All right, today. So let's say I've got one of these domains. All right, I'm going to go inside my domain, and I don't know why it's in Turkish now. Yo, that was very weird. For some reason it was, I don't know. Anyway, so you come down into the domain and you click on DNS settings, and what you're going to do here is you're going to come down and you're going to go to forwarding, and you're going to put the link of that landing page stuff that I just got, right? That landing page that Igloo is giving me, that link. I take that link, I put forward with masking, save it, and you're good to go. And then you have your landing page on a proper domain and you're ready to go. That's it. You send out traffic to this, people come, read, click, and you make commissions. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this free training. If you want more of this strategies, Flip-Flop Profits is one of my courses that I show you exactly what I do in my strategies on how I generate money online. All right. Other than that, there are other programs as well. You can search my website and connect with me if you want any coaching one-on-one. I just open my doors, and you can find more information about that in the links below. Hope you enjoyed this free training. It was full value free training that you could go out and do the same. If you're trying to pick up Igloo is my #1 choice. It really is budget friendly. It's for the people that are starting off and don't have the money to pay monthly. But even me being in this industry for 4 years, I've been able to find tools that I only pay for one time off. All right, I don't pay monthly fees for anything except for my autoresponder and my WordPress domain, a host and everything. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. Oh, also my tracking tool, which is ClickMagick. And thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.